So I have the best operation system, Linux, obviously.
I am a beautiful secretary, and I'm going to talk to you about my preferences with the computer things that I do.
Perfect. So, each of you have 1 minute to state your argument. So, can you start?
Okay, I think that it's better my Windows because we have a lot of games, are very cool, and you have a lot of emulator. We can play Super Mario from the old one. We can play Halo. We can play Call of Duty. We can play FIFA. We can play whatever we want to, and it's pretty cool because the other system like Linux or Mac doesn't have anything to play. They're just playing, you know, poker, something boring stuff, and doesn't have all these that we need. So I think Windows is the best.
Perfect.
Well,
The computer, can you say us,
Yes.
share us your arguments, please?
yes, great. The arguments for using Linux is that it has a better operation system. It is more quickly, more effective. It can make a lot of tasks. It don't have all the games he wants to play, but you can make a lot of tasks at the same time, and the tasks are controlled by the same operation system. So there is not going to be an application that consume all the resources of the computer. Actually, also Linux has 64 bits, so it is more quickly, it is effective and more safe.
Okay, I like preferably Macintosh because it's pretty. And it has some nice interface that you can operate with all the with one finger, various fingers, or all the fingers at the same time. So you can move the pages of the computer, you can move the images, you can change the things, and all the same in the same screen that you're seeing without having to pass through multiple screens. So it's very pretty. It's
Perfect. The video games lover, what do you have to say to the our lover secretary?
You're wrong. You need a computer to play and to chat, and we all can do it with Windows. All people have Windows. You don't have to ask, oh, this is for Mac, I don't know, maybe. I wish this game was for Mac, please help me. I have to play now. No, you just buy it, put it, and play. And for Linux, instead, what do you need Linux? No one has Linux.
No.
What is that? You're dealing with commands and see, I don't know what it is. You have colors and
It's
stuff?
crazy, it's crazy. Wait a minute. You have to know that 14 of the fastest computers of the world are Linux, okay? And in Linux you can make a lot of things. Okay, yes. A lot of things at the same time. For example, you can play your games, you can print a lot of sheets, you can see porno, you can see all that you have to do at the same time. But then you can only play and play and play and only play, and not all the life is not only playing in the computer.
The video game lovers?
But you never,
And you can also see porn in this. Do you want to see?
but not at the same but not at the same time. With the
You want to play? You can probably
In Linux you can connect to, for example, more than one keyboard, more than one display, and you can put me attention.
I am putting your attention.
No. Okay. With Linux you can have, for example, to display two keyboards, so in one computer you can play at the same time you are watching another thing. No? Don't you think it is better that?
I have nothing to say. I think they are so wrong.
Yes, because Linux is better, so you don't have nothing to say.
No, I am not agree with you too. It's not the matter that you have to various things in the same way, but you have to be able to do it pleasantly. You have to work your way to what you need to do with an interface that allows you to have a nice day. You have to be pretty, you have to be elegant, you have to do all those things in your work. And it doesn't matter if you can chat also in Windows, but you have to chat prettily.
Die, zombie, die.
Okay, perfect. Our audience want to say something or add something?
Here we have a question.
I have a question.
Pasteur, please, can you tell us?
Yes. I have a question for the computer, yes. Do you know that Mac is a fancy, a pretty version of Linux? Because they both use Unix to do the tasks and all that, or the work on the operating system.
Yes, that's true, but Linux do it more quickly, more effective. And
Can I take it?
Wait,
Wow.
first he's going to answer
No, I
the
finished.
question.
You are a computer, you know that if you want to do it faster, you don't need a specific operating system unless you don't have RAM memory or graphics.
the advantage of this specific operating system is that all the multitasks you are doing are controlled by the same operating system. I don't know if that occurs with Apple Mac.
Yeah, it's the same.
Is the same?
But it's pretty.
They're not the same.
Yes, but you
Lady,
don't have all the games on Mac.
No, but
the lady, the lady.
Lady.
Housewife.
Lady, please share us your ideas.
It's free. It's made by the community for the community. You can do learning
Yes.
without parent.
You don't have to
You
pay
have to
anything.
buy it and it's expensive.
Yeah,
you
You
have
have enough money to provide.
Do you know a place called Unilag? You can go and for 1,000 pesos you can go Windows and 3 games. I have nothing more to say.
I have another one against PC. We have some images here in this PC, but I can. If somebody knows.
Or use Mac.
The iPod, can you defend your family? Mac, your blood, your... Any comments? So, which argument convince the audience? No, please don't see us. Just the arguments. Don't see the lady, lovely lady.
You know I'm true.
What can you say?
I think I was convinced by Linux.
The Linux?
Linux? Come on.
I'm not a gamer, man.
Thank you.
You never have the problem with the Mac that there are some programs that doesn't go for Mac, only for Windows?
Not any of the programs that I use on a regular basis. Word, yeah, essentially.
But do you know
But it's
that
pretty
in Mac?
in my condition is easier to
I agree,
manipulate.
it's much prettier.
But do you know that in Mac you can install Windows in a parallel way, and also Linux. So in a Mac you can install all.
You do it all.
And for the intelligent call, what do you think?
Very smart car.
Which is more easy to use?
There are
For
some
you.
applications in which Linux is better. For example, in supercomputers, like the 90% of the coverage of supercomputers are with Linux systems. But in desktops and laptops, I think that Windows is better than Mac. You know, I think I have a graphic here that shows that the usage of web client operating systems, so the people that serve the web, like say the 2% is Linux. The 9% is Mac, and the rest is all Windows.
So we can say that there is the preference of the client.
Nice job, guys.
My name is Toshiba.
Okay, guys.